Hello YouTube from Tech, and this is what you need for gaming. It's precision and control. So this is a Savio mousepad for professional gaming and aiming at mouse precision with a controllable surface. This also has a 3mm thick profile. It also has anti-fraying stitching at the edges, plus it is a huge mousepad. This could be considered an extra large gaming surface. Enough with all the specs, so let's go and open this box. Now, opening the box, you'll see there's no other packaging here. This is what you get. This is the mousepad itself, a really nice surface. It's kind of spongy, if I can say that. That's for keeping your mouse tracking precise. That aims at the control of your mouse more than gliding all over the mousepad. The rear side is rubberized, so you can grip on your table and give you more control while gaming with your mouse. Here you can see the whole size of this mousepad. Make sure you have a really big table before buying this one. Now at this point I should mention that Savio's Precision Control product line includes more sizes, from small, that's a typical mousepad, to extra large if you want to go crazy and covering your whole desk. That essentially becomes your gliding area. And if speed is your type of gaming, then Savio Turbo Dynamic is the best type of mousepad for fast gliding at the same sizes as Precision Control, and their price is quite similar. If you found this video useful, leave us a like, subscribe, and as always from Tech, thank you for watching.